Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. A box arrived at my house today, and Penny was all excited. She ordered some cheese from Ohio, her home state, and it came today. And this is it here. Shisler's Cheese House. So we're going to have an unboxing of that, and let's see what's in it. It's kind of heavy, but we'll get to it, all right? Okay, so we're at the taste test table, but now we're going to call it the product table. Okay, so we open it up, and we can clearly see it's packed in styrofoam. And a little booklet here, come visit the mouse. Shisler's Cheese House, okay? Then we got the top comes off. And they got, geez, it's packed in nice or something. But it's nice. Penny couldn't wait for this one. She was all excited. Where is it? It ain't come yet. Oh, it finally came today. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Everything's still pretty cold. This here is genuine trail bologna. Troyer's trail bologna. She got 2 packs of that. Then we got this here is horseradish cheese, okay? And this one is a block of ghost pepper Monterey Jack. I can't wait to try that. And this one is baby Swiss, I believe. Oh my goodness, she got so much stuff here. This here, oh, this is the one she was waiting for. The Ohio Swiss. Oh my goodness, there's still more here. What's up with this? All right, so, and this one here, oh, this is the one I'm waiting for, the New York White. Okay, and let's see what else we got here. Then we got 2 or 3 bags of the ice thing that's we could probably reuse these again. They're still ice cold. And I'll put those back into the styrofoam box in there. But as you can see, I know Penny's going to be pretty happy with all of this stuff. So hold on. Okay, so there it is, Shisler's Cheese House, and that's the box. And there's your 5 packs of cheese. And then your trail bologna. And then your little booklet. I guess it'll tell you what other kinds they have. But Penny was all excited. She was waiting. Okay, so until next time, folks, this is MrDan. As Mr. Elmo would say, cover your nose and mouth when out and about. Wash your hands repeatedly. Don't talk with your mouth full unless you get some of this mighty fine cheese from Shisler's. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share if you liked. And hit the notification bell and also this subscribe button. Until next time, my friends, stay hungry. Have some cheese, and we'll see you on the next show. This is MrDan. We're out.